I have been a part of UT family since the last 4 years. For this current year, I took admission for test series in commerce. It surely helped me a lot. Whenever I studied a chapter, I used to go and give a test that made me realize my mistakes, what are my strong points, what are my weaker points, and I worked on that.
I was part of the test series for 12th CBSE this year with UT, and I think my experience has been great, because even though the tests on the day and during those times were very intimidating and I didn't feel like coming here and writing it, I'm so glad I did, because afterwards, whether it was just the practice of being able to write the paper and time management, or learning from my mistakes in those papers so I don't make them in the board, I think UT has played a huge role in whatever marks I've achieved.